Here's another interesting buck knives. Okay, maybe right here. There's operation instruction. You go onto the website to look it up. That's funny. So this knife kind of have a secret. You see it has a flipper and you feel like you're just gonna grab it and flip it open. But no, the secret is in a handle, but on that side, because it's right-handed. And then you use a flipper and it's assisted. There's ones that is not assisted. This one is assisted. You see, it won't work. It's like built-in safety, but all you have to do is just press it and it flies out, and at the same time you close your safety. You see that? And it, at the same time, locking mechanism to close it, the knife. Isn't that cool? So Buck USA 590. Okay, S30VN. So not a bad steel, and look at that, very comfortable knife. I really like that beautiful blade. It's just one of a kind knife design, and there's as you can see, assisted spring in it. You just pull on that, boom. What will happen if I just push on that without closing it? You see, you can just close it later. It's just so comfortable that it will automatically close whenever you close it. It doesn't take much effort to close that little safety, but at the same time, whenever it's in that closed position, it's not doing anything. As soon as you move this, it is quite soft. It's nice, not hard to close it at all. So yeah, they go buck knife, also make some unique stuff for sure. Assisted. Love that knife design. Look at that, so comfortable.